Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. It's 5 a.m. and we're about to get day 7 done. Okay, we're in my dungy basement. It's dark outside still and still kind of cold. I just got a new treadmill, so I'm going to show you how to do today's workout on a treadmill. You can do this on a treadmill, you can do it on a track, indoor, outdoor, outside, doesn't matter. Just get the workout in, okay? Now remember, Teach Mom How is here to teach you that you can do anything. This video series is about how you can run even if you hate running, even if you're overweight, even if you're out of shape, and you can just run to get healthy, okay? It started 2 weeks ago. It started as a 27-day program that you can do in 4 to 9 weeks. This is workout number 7. If you're just joining us, watch this to see how it works, but then go back to day 1 to start your program. So for today's workout, totaling 28 minutes, we're gonna start out with a 5-minute walk to warm up. Then we're gonna run for 1 minute, walk for 1 minute, run for 2 minutes, walk for 2 minutes, run for 3 minutes. It'll be the longest we've ran so far. Run for 3 minutes, then walk for 3 minutes. Then we go back down. Then we run for 2 minutes, walk for 2 minutes, run for 1 minute, walk for 1 minute, and then all we got left is that 5-minute cool down walk, okay? Remember, your cool down and your warm up walk, those are your slow, leisurely walks. Your walks in between your intervals should be as fast as you can do comfortably to recover for the next run. All right, let's get started. Something you need to remember if you're using Nike Run especially, and probably any other running tracking app, is that if you do this on a treadmill and you want it to log your run in your app, which I like to do so I can keep track of my total runs and everything like that, then you need to hold your phone while you run even though you're on the treadmill. You can manually add a run on Nike Run and other running apps, but if you manually added it, it doesn't count for your challenges, doesn't count for your PRs, doesn't count for some of your statistics if you manually add the run. So if you want it to count for your statistics on Nike Run, make sure that you set it to indoor before you start and that you hold your phone in your hand when you jog. All right, that was 1 minute of running. We now have 1 minute of walking. Next, we're gonna run for 2 minutes. Make sure you watch this whole video before you go do your workout, because I'm gonna introduce you to the most beautiful woman doing this program with us and the most inspirational woman. I'm gonna tell you her story and share with you some motivation she gave me on one of her recent workouts. So make sure you watch the whole video. It's time to go for 2 minutes. Let's do it. All right, we're on our 2-minute walk, about to go into our 3-minute run. That's gonna be the longest run we've done in these 7 workouts, so get ready mentally. But while we wait, I wanna introduce you to, as promised, the most beautiful woman doing this running program with us. That's my wife, Amy. Her story is this. She's ran a half marathon, is the highest, the longest run she's accomplished so far. Then about 4 years ago, we made a move to the frozen tundra of Wisconsin, and she lost the habit of running. Then she had 2 kids, and with the most recent kid, she got blood clots in her lungs after that. That was about a year ago. Those blood clots damaged her lungs. She's had a hard time breathing and running ever since. She started doing this program with us 7 workouts ago, and last week she went out on her own to do, I think, day 5, or maybe 6. And she came back all excited. I'm gonna let her share some motivation with you.
Hello, this is Amy from Teach Mom How, and I am running. Probably really wobbly, this picture for this video, but you can hear my lungs really working right now. My damaged lungs, but I'm determined to run, and I hope you guys are following along because it's been good for me to get my body going. Anyways, see you later, bye.
I asked Amy what changed. I said, how were you able to go for 2 miles? She said, I just got pissed. I got tired of not being able to breathe, not being able to do it. And I pushed through it and I did it. That's really the key. You just gotta push through and do it. And this is designed to ease into that, okay? Us ex-athletes like myself, we think we gotta go 110% all the time. No, we've gotta learn to ease into this, especially when we're older and wider. Time to run for 3 minutes. Let's do it. 3 minutes done. That is the longest interval we've done so far. and it's the longest we'll do this week. So tell yourself the hardest is behind you. It's all downhill now. We got a 2-minute run left and a 1-minute run. You can do that, okay? Just make sure you finish. Find that pace that you can run for 2 minutes and another 1 minute, and then we're gonna cool down. Keep going. We're about to go for our last run. You still with me? We got 1 minute. Let's do it. 1 minute, then it's all about the cool down. Let's go. That's it. If you did all that, you finished. You did your longest run of 3 minutes, and you enjoyed it, I hope. And now you're ready for day 8. Well, first recovery, and then day 8. Day 8's going to be just the same. So just a reminder, this is part of a program. We're in 27 workouts over the course of 4 to 9 weeks, depending on how you choose to break it up. You can go from not being able to run 30 seconds to being able to run a 5K and feel better, and you'll probably lose some weight in the process. So please join us. Down in the description, you can click back to any of the previous workouts or any of the future workouts, depending on where you're at in the program. You can also, it's cool down time. You can also go to this playlist and see all of the running workouts that we've done so far. I hope you'll join us. I hope you'll keep showing up. And I hope you will do this so that you feel better and healthier. And if you're like me, I'm trying to lose another 20 pounds. So let's go.